baby. Stay with me, and you will see my arms. Will hold you, baby. Never leave, 'cause I believe.
I've been all my life running from me when I needn't be all this time. Where have I been all my life? Searching for love from another when I'm just my type. Yeah.
Friends, I've always loved roses, but now it's more than just how they look. Spiritually, they represent love, healing, protection, and divine timing. And lately, I've started seeing pieces of myself in them. Roses teach me that you can be both delicate and strong. Grand Rising, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Harease. Thank you so much for being here. I'm sending love, clarity, and good energy as you step into this day. Let me just be real. If you don't like consistency, chances are this is probably not the channel for you. But if you're here for real growth, real life, and real vibes, then you're in the right place. Friends, we're gonna go to sleep. It's raining. We're gonna go to sleep for the sake of staying on the straight and narrow, because I'm trying to be raw all week. So let me just go to sleep. I'm not even gonna go to Publix or anywhere. And I want a snack because it's fast, it's quick, but it's not gonna be beneficial in the long run. So good night. Grand Rising, it is Tuesday morning. I don't have much to say because I'll be doing the same thing in the kitchen that I've been doing on all the other vlogs lately. But I just wanted to stop by to say Grand Rising. I hope everybody have a great day, a safe day, and stay vigilant. See you later. I did forget to tell you all that mush that I took yesterday, the other vanilla one, I guess it had fermented. And I think I had saw that one in the refrigerator where it was a little bloated at one point. So it had gas buildup apparently. And so when I went to go open it and ate a little bit of it, it was disgusting. I forgot to tell you that yesterday.
Hey, sugar got along with the get you. Oh,
Just come outside.
You so sweet.
For the night. Take your time.
All I gotta do is add a little.
You're supposed to put these on a plate with no hair. I use my upper arm on both sides, either side so far. Again, I don't know if these are working. I'm gonna be 100. I don't feel like they're placebo effect, but I'm not positive. So, because my energy could just be good right now. I've taken my iron, forgot my B12. Let me go do that. All right, B12 check. We don't have that many days this week, so I'm not gonna complain about where I'm going. Alexa, turn off all the lights. So, see you later. All right, friends, I'm home. I'm about to make a salad. I just wanted to say I was home. I had to go to the store too. Didn't take you with me. Okay, I'm doing the same thing consistently, but at the same time, not showing the same thing. So, see ya.
Hey, sugar got along with the get you. Oh.
It is Wednesday morning. Whoa. We finally made it to Wednesday. It is hump day, and I hope you had a good week so far, because I surely have. I put Brooklyn on her pamper this morning. Hey, Bub. Hi, Bub. Hi, pretty girl. Okay, she's embarrassed. She don't want you guys to think she's a baby. Okay, her birthday is this month, so she's like 15 years old. However, she's elderly, so we have to put her on her pamper since she don't know how to not use the bathroom in the house. And that has never been an issue before. But apparently it is. Apparently she hates it. But that's okay. It's gonna get the job done. And I will see you all later. I am doing a terrible job at vlogging because, to be 100% honest, transparent, truthful, I'm trying to make this channel, not the main channel anymore. Like, I want a new channel, and I want a new channel because when I first started this channel, I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know if I was gonna stay on here this long. I didn't know that I would actually build a community the way I'm building. So I kind of want to start over from 0 subscribers just to build it back up. You know what I mean? Like, because there are so many people that's just sitting here, or that's not here anymore. Maybe people have passed away. I don't know. But you're sitting here and it's just numbers. I don't really want that. I want a community, you know? Numbers mean nothing to me, to be honest with you. And I started something that I really don't want to keep up with, but we're not going to go in detail. And I just want to start a new channel. So if I'm doing a bad job at vlogging this time, I apologize. But I am trying to move to a new channel. Feel me? So, see you later. Work. I got my booch. It's the same one though. I haven't changed it. I might next time. And then I had a salad, delicious. This whole bowl was filled. And I'm about to chill. I'm tired, honestly. So I'll see you in the morning. Liquid iron is often better absorbed by the body than a capsule or a tablet forms because it skips the breakdown process in the digestive system, allowing for a quicker and more effective absorption. Especially important for those with low iron levels or sensitive stomachs. It's been 3 days since I've stepped on this treadmill, and trust me, I've felt every bit of the break. But today, we're back. Mind focused, body ready, and spirit grounded. Progressing isn't always about perfection. It's about showing up again and again. Let's get it.
Nigga who poppin' that? Got it jumpin' out that he did like who coppin' that? New G wagon got a brag and put a lock on that. Niggas always in her DM, she don't holler back. Whoop, whoop. bluffing. And she loved him. My last nigga, he was bluffing. He said fuck him. He let that go on like he bugging. Now she thugging with a real one. I've been falling on you, why I love you. All my homies know me best, they say I'm falling for you. And that box be slippery like tryna walk on oil. And I be there long as you there when I be calling for you. Girl, as long as you wrap your arms around me. Ooh, baby, I don't care what them people say. I'm giving you.
All right, friends, I'm getting to the juice part. I'm about to make some juice, pineapple and cucumber. It detoxifies the liver and the kidneys. And, you know, after that colonic, I need to continue that process. I do have another appointment in July. We have another appointment July 11th. I'm enjoying doing voiceovers, so this video might be a lot of voiceovers, just FYI. It's something that I've always wanted to do. I was insecure in that area, so I never really did them, but I am enjoying them, so. All right, all done. This is one whole cucumber, actually two, more like two, and then one whole pineapple. If you have never had this juice, you're gonna go to the bathroom. Give it time. But you have to also drink it on an empty stomach. I don't eat before I work out. So I'm always fasted when I work out, all the time. If I'm not, it's very, very, very rare. Definitely gonna go to the bathroom. And I'm not talking about just number one. You're gonna do number two. I am going to clean up right after I juice. I like to get my mess done and over with, because I don't like to look at stuff all day. I don't like to look at it. If I'm going back outside and come back in the house, I don't want to see dirty dishes in my sink. That is just me. I'm just keeping it real. You know what I'm saying? So let me do that, and I'll see you in a little bit. Thank God for this tree in my front yard. It's more than just a tree to me. It's a quiet witness to my growth, a silent keeper for my prayers, and a reminder that even stillness has purpose. Even every season is still standing. When the wind blows, it doesn't resist. It moves with grace, just like I'm learning to. Its roots run deep, unseen, but powerful. That's how I want my faith to be. And its branches always reaching towards the heavens, teaching me to do the same. That tree was placed there for a reason, and I thank God for it every time I pass. I'm back in my chariot. It awaits me. It looks too. It's amazing. Just don't put your seatbelt on. Okay, hold on. SoFresh is a fast casual restaurant concept that has fresh, wholesome eating, offers customizable hot bowls, salads, wraps, broth bowls. You can get smoothies and juices, and they make it in like 5 minutes. It was founded in Tampa in 2013, and now it's just grown across Florida. I think now they have like 20 locations plus. They also have it in Pennsylvania, so if you're watching from Pennsylvania, hey girl, hey. Another thing is they have really high quality ingredients and sauces, and you can get different options: vegan, vegetarian, paleo, gluten-free, keto. I was about to say keto, but keto. We just tried a new place called SoFresh. I recommend it. It was really good. We just had a salad with a bunch of stuff in it. Not a bunch, but just enough stuff. And then blackened salmon and a smoothie, banana, dates. I'm not sure what's all in here, but I'll find out and put it on the screen or in the description box. But it was very delicious. What's your take?
Very good.
It was so worth it. Spontaneously came. Sherman said he saw it going to this Publix, so he wanted to try it. And I wasn't hungry, but that salad was delicious.
Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly, super duper fly. Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly, super duper fly. Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly.
What did I say? What did the one belongs to Colombo, but I know that the Genovese family has influence as well. Anything you need, open back so I can build with my work. Wow, you're fucking nuts. In return, I put word out in the streets that I'm looking for the...
I mean, I don't like the black soul singer banging back and saying.
You don't want...
Been out for a long time. For the tracks. When they go to the tracks.
We sang a jangle. We so tight that you get our styles tangled. Sway your do-si-do like you loco.
We are back home, friends. I'm about to go lay down and take me a good nap. It's been raining. We went to Whole Foods. Again, the salad place is called My Fresh. I will put the address on the screen or in the description box, but it was good. Yes, I definitely recommend it. Friends, we are up and at 'em this morning, headed to the Springs. It's 4th of July, and yeah, so we're gonna go see how different the Springs are. Usually it's filled with people of a certain ethnicity, you know what I'm trying to say. But we're gonna go see what's going on down there.
My cousins like Boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsies. But for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me. And she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Young Money Records, the Army, the Navy. They ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody said
brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I you can go leave. Got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna be what I do, tryna steal my moves. 2500 for a
I let Cindy have it. She got that for me.
Huh?
I let Cindy have it. She got that for me.
Who, Sandy?
Cindy. The girl up there.
Oh, that girl didn't go. What? Tell Cindy I'm more convinced.
He's so stupid. He ain't got no sense.
No sense at all. Not a bit.
This one take.
Brother, you going on out here now? Don't tell me to bring my darn chair.
You going in that one or this one?
I think this one.
You said this one or that one?
This is good. It ain't that many of us.
No, it ain't.
I need 2 days.
They going to the water. It's cold out here though.
It is. It's cold out here. Oh yeah, that I'm gonna go this.
You going to that one?
But that's good too low.
It's 2 tables. Serious.
It means till I hate all this dude. When I was younger, this stuff would make me itch.
Now you can't have floaties out here in the spring, so they cut it short for me.
I'm gonna put the bread and stuff in that blue bag. Put that bread and stuff in that. It might can go in that bag.
We are departing.
Word on road is the click about the blow. You ain't gotta run and tell nobody, they already know. We've been living on a high.
Another place that we used to come to that has totally changed. It's not the same. The vibes are stale and flavorless. We're home, friends. It was giving raisins in a potato salad. Very bland, very dull, very uncultured out there. So we're home.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag floating through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under, screaming, no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there is still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. Easy come, easy go, that's the way you live. Oh, take it all, but you never give. I should've known you was trouble from the first kiss. Had your eyes wide open. Why were they open? I gave you all I had and you tossed it in the trash. You tossed it in the trash, you did. To give me all your love is all I ever ask. 'Cause what you don't understand is I would catch a grenade for ya. Throw my hand on a blade for ya. Make him go, oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make him go, oh, oh, oh. Gonna leave him going, oh, oh, oh. I would go through all this pain. It'd take a bullet straight through my brain. I would die for you, baby, but you won't do the same. You won't do the same.